guys, how are you guys doing? I really hope you're doing very well. I hope the lockdown is treating you guys well. The cases have slowly gotten better and life should get back to normal soon. But yes, we all have to take a lot of care of ourselves and take all the precautions, keep the masks on and take care. This is the time where you should spend a lot of time with your family. Take care of yourself. This is the biggest learning of my last 1 year is taking care of yourself. I have never taken care of myself as much as I've taken care of myself in this year. So yes, I definitely highly recommend you do that if you haven't started. Which brings me to this video, a highly requested video, and I really wanted to shoot it naturally, which is why it took me like ages to get my mind onto shooting this video. It's the most important thing to do, the nighttime skincare. But I feel the nighttime self-care is the right word to call this video, because this is my nighttime routine. This is what I do every night to relax my mind. In fact, that being a mom, of course, this is literally the time you get, like the actual time you get for yourself. Right now it's 10 p.m. This is the time I devote to myself, my self-care, to taking care of my skin, taking care of my mind, taking care of my body. It's made a lot of difference in my overall mindset. When you do the things that make you happy, you're always in a good mood. You're always happy from inside. Without further ado, I'm going to take you through my nighttime routine. This is pretty much what I do on an everyday basis. I devote like half an hour to do all of this. Literally the first thing that I do every time I'm ready to relax myself and get ready for bed is switch on the lamps. I love lamps. I think dim light is so relaxing, and I'm a total lamps person. If I need be, I would switch off all the lights all the time and only have lamps on. These are the two lamps that I have around me, around my bed. I love my lamps. They just give such a good feel. I literally dim all the lights and I just switch on these two lamps just to set the mood of the room and just get into a very relaxed mood. The next thing that I do once the lights are dim and my lamps are on is basically something aromatic. I really think that if you have a nice fragrance going on, if something nice aromatic is burning in your room, it is super relaxing and it gives you a really good night's sleep. We either burn an essential oil or we burn a candle. I usually burn one of the Bath & Body Works candles. This is one of the candles that I really love. This is the aromatherapy happiness candle that I really like. Or I just put in a few drops of essential oil. This is the lemongrass. I'll link everything down below, guys. So I basically burn this in this Fab India burner that we got. I really like it. I think we finished like 5-6 bottles of this essential oil. It's so good. It's so relaxing. Super inexpensive. I think 300 bucks. This is the essential oil. I have to burn this every night, guys. It's so aromatic. Smells great. So guys, now that the lamps are on and my essential oil is burning, I usually turn on some music. So I do that. Alexa, play some jazz music. Usually jazz that we both like, as it's soft and nice and relaxing. It just feels so good. So I'm already halfway through a very relaxing night. And I'll move on to the self-care bit now. Of course, the first step is to change into my night suit. All my night suits are from H&M, guys. I love their cute simple night suits from H&M. They're super comfortable, so I'm going to wear that. I'm actually in my joggers. I think it feels like you're in your pajamas all day, literally. So guys, I've changed into my night suit, literally living in my H&M night suits. I love them. This is like a star print one. It's a pajama set. It's full sleeves, but I don't mind it. It's cotton and it's really comfortable. I love them. They're very well priced. They're like 1500 for this set, which is absolutely amazing. I like the fact that they are very oversized and they come with like jogger style pajamas. I'll move on to the skincare. So on days when I have some makeup on my face, like right now, because I had shot something in the evening, I do have some concealer and some mascara on my face. So of course I have to remove my makeup first. Now a technique that I recently learned that I had not been following earlier was double cleansing. Now I have never done that before, guys. Literally I have just started it. Usually I remove my makeup with the Garnier Micellar water. I'm going to be removing my makeup first, and what I'm actually trying out today is the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. I recently got it as a free sample. Double cleansing is such a big deal. They usually use an oil or some kind of a balm to remove their makeup first. Just rub on their face and then wash their face, I thought I'll give it a try also. And I'll also give you like a mini review of this Take the Day Off balm. It's actually quite thick and it's like Vaseline, to be honest. You just have to literally spread it all over your skin and it's very smooth and literally remove whatever makeup you have. It's basically a very soft and mild gel-like consistency. Wow, it's oily texture to it. This takes off the makeup. The wipes that I use are from Miniso, guys. So I'm just gonna take this balm off. I'm just gently removing this off and you can see there's a lot of makeup that has literally come off. That's not bad at all. Plus there's dirt also because you know in the evenings for like 1 or 2 hours I'm in the terrace. So my skin definitely is exposed to pollution, UV rays and whatnot. So hence guys, even if you're home, sunscreen is very important. So I've taken off my makeup. I really like this Take the Day Off balm. While I've been a loyalist of the Garnier Micellar Water, since I have a dry skin, anything that moisturizes my skin while taking off the makeup is obviously less harsh. So I think it's amazing. It's time for the second step of cleansing my face, and that is face wash. I usually have 2 options when I have to wash my face. Currently, I have like 2 favorites. I am loving the Rose and Jasmine face cleanser by Kama Ayurveda. This is literally one of the mildest face cleansers I have ever used, and I'm definitely repurchasing it. Or I take any mild cleanser, like I have this Himalaya Deep Cleansing Apricot Face Wash, or I even have the Himalaya Neat Face Wash. I anyway feel face wash needs to be super mild. Two-step of cleansing and your face already starts to glow. That's the magic of using good skincare, guys. This double cleansing I really feel works wonders. This is how my skin looks like after double cleansing. Just to give you guys a closer look, I think at least my skin is cleansed well. Of course the light is very good here, but time to brush our teeth. Simple stuff. I'm gonna be brushing my teeth. Always been a Pepsodent loyalist. What about you guys? What do you like? I've like always used this. Alright, teeth are taken care of. Yeah, so fresh of course. I always use body mist. I'm a Bath and Body Works loyalist, guys, so I always use any of these Bath and Body Works mists that I have. Right now the one that I'm using is called Midnight Peony. It is one of the best scents I have ever used. So this is the same mist that I use once I take a shower. So smells so good, guys. So I have to use a body mist before bed. It just gives you such a nice aromatic feeling. You smell so good, you feel so good when you go to bed. Another thing that I must do, and I have started doing since I lost a little bit of weight, guys, I have a lot of stretch marks, and I use this bio oil one time post shower in the day and once before going to bed on the areas where I have stretch marks. While I haven't seen much of a difference on my stretch marks yet, but I've heard this reduces it, so let's see. I'm still in the process of using it. And guys, on days when I have the time, this is not every day because sometimes I'm too lazy. I'm never lazy for my skin, but I get lazy for my body. If I have the time, I usually have really dry arms and legs. So I'll use a body lotion. This is the Aromatherapy Comfort Range body lotion. I really like it. Alright guys, my face is double cleansed and time to move to skincare. This is the part that you guys really like to see and you guys really wanted to see. So basically I saw an interview of Hailey Bieber where she actually posted her nighttime skincare routine, and something that she said has really touched me because I have believed in this myself for so long, and that is that before going to bed, if your skin doesn't look like a glazed donut, then you're doing something wrong. So it's basically that this is the time when you need to load your skin with so much moisturization and whatnot that your skin should literally look like a glazed donut, and that is something I truly believe in. And whenever I put skincare, I make sure I load myself with it. It just nourishes the skin so well, and I feel really good the next morning. The skin should be super supple and soft when you wake up. I'm gonna move on to my skincare routine, guys. I do use a toner in the day, but in the night time I don't really use a toner. I use this Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. I'm almost over with it. I absolutely love it. I don't know, it gives my skin such a refreshing, hydrating feel to it. I'm quite generous with it on my skin. Oh, it smells like heaven. Rose water, aloe, it's amazing. So yes, the first thing that I do is put lots of facial mist and let that literally settle in. This is usually my everyday bun routine because my hair are always in a high bun every day. I think we all do. Now that the spray has, set a little, I'm going to move on to the next most important and expensive luxury but damn nice, tried and tested and must have product that I highly recommend, and that is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, guys. This serum is literally gold for your skin and it's a must have. This is my second bottle. It's like an investment and a little goes a long way. I have the 100 ml jar right now, which is the biggest size. I think this was from a duty free, but it usually lasts you at least a year. I know so many people who've bought this and are so happy with this. So this is literally your most important product for your night skincare routine, the Advanced Night Repair by Estee Lauder. Guys, one tip I want to give you guys, since we are on it and since I'm on to a serum, and that is something that I really think is so important. I see a lot of people wasting so much of product because what they do is they take the product in their hand, and when they rub it, a lot of the product actually goes inside your palms, it goes into your skin. So I never put anything on my hand, especially not in my palm. If I have to, I'll use 2 fingers, or I'll straight away apply the product on my skin and then rub it. That's something I truly believe in and recommend to you guys. So I'll take this much, this is like half of this dropper, and put it on both sides of my face. I do put this generously because I really feel this works wonders and it's the best product for the night time. So let's just so this was my first step. I'll move on to the eye bit. I've been using the Ordinary Caffeine Solution because it's said to be really good for the under eye, and of course we all have certain dark circles. I love using this caffeine solution. It's damn nice for the eyes. So I'll just take 2 drops under my eye. Make sure to put it on your eyelids as well, all over this area. So the eye part is done. Moving on, this is the experiment that I always do with any new product. I always take a mini. If I really like it, that's when I invest in a big jar, and that's what happened with this sleeping mask, guys. I ordered 2 mini, the lip mask and the Laneige water sleeping mask. I actually ordered minis of these and I've loved both of these so much that the moment the Nykaa pink sale happened, this was literally the first thing on my mind that I had to order a big jar. I now ordered the 70 ml jar. If you have a dry skin like mine, these kind of hydrating masks are so good for you. There are 2 options, and sometimes I do alternate. If I don't feel like putting on a water mask, I straight away move on to my moisturizer and put that on a bit. And my favorite moisturizer currently is the Clinique Moisture Surge. It's literally one of the best, most hydrating, most nourishing moisturizers ever, and I've just got a big jar of it. On most nights, I love using the Laneige water sleeping mask. Really light water-based face mask. This is how the product looks like. If you have dry, dehydrated skin, this is like magic for you. I love how it feels on my skin. So I'm just going to take a little bit of it. See, I didn't rub it on my hands. I straight away put it on my skin, and I love how this feels on the skin. So again, I put a generous amount of this water mask on my skin. I really have flaky skin around my nose, so which is why I feel such hydrating masks work wonders. almost through to the glazed donut look. Check out my skin, guys. Don't you think it's glazing? There's so much glow on my skin. I give like 30 seconds for the product to seep in before I move on to the next product. Can you see the beautiful glow on my skin? It's all thanks to amazing skincare. The last step towards the glazed skin look is always a face oil. I'm a big face oil junkie, guys. I think one of my most important steps of skincare is always a nice face oil, because again, dry skin, guys, I really need it. Even in summers, I'm literally using a face oil every day. I have two options for you guys because one of them is actually not available in India. I swear by the Ordinary Moroccan Argan Oil. It's one of the best. I've finished at least 8 or 10 bottles of this, and unfortunately you don't get Ordinary products in India, but whenever someone's traveling or my sister-in-law comes from Dubai, I stock this up and I love it. It's been 2 years and I'm still loving it. So I either use this or an Indian face oil that I'm absolutely loving is this Pahari local Gutti Ka Tel. I'm almost finishing this one and I absolutely love this. This also feels amazing on the skin and it does wonders to anyone who has a dry skin. It smells a little off but works wonders. I'm going to be using Ordinary Moroccan Argan Oil, super mild. Again, be generous with your oils. I love the glow on my skin after this. I think it's important for you guys to do what suits your skin than follow any certain pattern. That is pretty much the last step of my face, my skincare, because this is literally, if this is not glazed donut, then I don't know what is. Look at my skin. I think it's really nice and glowy and I love it. Okay, guys, I'm doing this because the light is falling on my skin. I think my skin looks really nice. It's soft and it's, of course, I have a really sensitive skin and I have like pimple marks here and there which take their sweet time to go. But otherwise, I think I feel really good after I do this. Last, of course, how can you not do any lip care before you go to bed? And I love using lip balms. While I used to love my Vaseline Rose Lips lip balm, but since the time I started using the Laneige lip sleeping mask, there's no looking back. This is a small size again. I ordered a mini. I love it so much. I'm definitely ordering a big one once this gets over. So this is how the product looks like. It's amazing, guys. My lips feel so good after using it. So literally, I take lots of it. Can you see? It's a thick kind of lip mask, but oh my god, the way this feels on the lips, and it smells so good because it's like berry. This lip mask is heaven. You must try. So that brings me to the end of this skincare bit. These are all the products that I use for my nighttime skincare, and yes, this is the result of all of that skincare. This is how my skin looks like before going to bed. I've been stuck on to this routine for the past 2-3 months. In the morning, my skin feels absolutely amazing. I hope you guys like this. I'm gonna get to bed now. I'll either take on my laptop or watch something on Netflix, or I'll take on my diary and a pen and brainstorm on ideas for my next videos, for my YouTube, for my Instagram. This is my diary, guys. It says enjoy the little things. I love collecting cute diaries, by the way. I usually have a to-do list. I always have a list of videos that I want to make. So basically, I keep a diary on my bedside and I make a list of the next content that I need to create. Or it's Netflix time. I think I love watching a nice light show. Watch 1 or 2 episodes and just relax my mind. I think when you watch these shows, it just distracts you from your usual life and takes you to another place, which I think is really important, to give a break. I was watching Friends for the 100th time and loving it. I'm a Friends fanatic and I love it. I think it's the most heartwarming show. It's fun and it's light. Instead of the endless thriller and murder mysteries that are there on Netflix, I prefer watching things that are fun, things that are positive, things that are light, that just change your mind and take you to a happier place, and not take you to a place where your mind is also like super tense or sad. I'm watching The Bold Type now. I just started it yesterday and I love it. Here's a close-up of my skin, guys. I just wanted to show you guys exactly how my skin looks like after this skincare. This is how my skin looks like a glazed donut. I think Hailey Bieber would be really proud. I've come into a better light to show you guys how my skin looks like. And yeah, that's the effect of all the amazing products that I've used just now. And I'm gonna go to bed now. I hope you liked this video, guys. Let me know if you guys have any other questions. I'll be happy to answer them. This is just how I do it. There's no fixed way or order in which you need to do this. I might be wrong, but I do what works for my skin type. I've seen a difference in my skin since the time I've started using this. So yes, that brings me to the end of this video. I really hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please let me know if you have any other video requests. I'll be happy to do them. Thank you for watching, guys. Take care, stay home, stay happy. Bye.